day of activity as expatriate in Malaysia. Hello guys, so today I have planned to hang out with my friend who is also off work with me. Well, I want to get ready first because we have an appointment at 10 o'clock and I'll take a shower right away. Oh yeah, after finish from shower, I want to tell you guys that there is a pomade that makes my hair neat, easy to manage and not afraid to being messy when I'm doing activities. Yeah, this is UberSuave pomade. Now the one I bought is travel size so it can be taken anywhere. And in one box there are 3 types of pomade that you can adjust for your use. There are strong Hold Pomade, matte wax, and volumizing clay pomade. Today I want to use the volumizing clay pomade because it makes my hair always have volume and looks fresh. This is a water-based pomade which we can use on all types of hair and it's easy to wash. I always use this pomade for daily hangout and going to work. I really like it because the aroma makes my hair smell good and the ingredients don't make my hair sticky and oily. Plus, my hair is easier to manage and I'm not afraid to being messy anymore. So after I tie-dyed it up, I went to the cafe to meet my friends. Over there, we spent time until evening and then go home. So that's all for activities when off work in Malaysia. See you in the next video. Bye bye.